Want her to chase you, without games or fake distance. Good, because the old tricks usually fail. You do not need to ignore her. You need to become magnetic. Attraction grows when someone feels value, not confusion, not stress. Most people try to create fear. Smart people create curiosity. And curiosity makes people move toward you. That is where chasing begins. First, stop being too available. Not cold, just balanced. If you answer every second, every hour, your presence becomes normal. People chase what feels valuable. Value is not always instant access. Example, she texts at noon. You reply later when free, calm, and warm. You are present, but your life still matters. Pay attention to this. Neediness repels faster than rejection. Second, build emotional tension. Do not make every talk predictable. If every message is, "Hey," and "WID," attraction gets sleepy. Instead, spark emotion. Make her feel something. Ask playful questions. Challenge her gently. Example, be honest, are you always this trouble? Now she feels energy. Emotion creates memory. Memory creates desire. But here's the truth. Boring people get forgotten quickly. Third, let her invest. Stop doing all the work. If you always plan, text first, carry talks, she becomes passive. People value what they help build. Let her contribute. Ask her opinion. Let her choose the place. Example, pick the coffee spot. Surprise me. Now she is investing energy. Energy creates attachment. Attachment creates pursuit. This is where it gets interesting. Many chase by over-giving, but over-giving too early feels cheap. Real value grows slowly. Fourth, keep improving yourself. Nothing attracts like momentum. If your world is growing, people want to be part of it. Work on fitness, learn skills, build goals. Example, instead of waiting for texts, you are at the gym or building something. She feels your direction. Direction is attractive. Desperation is not. Remember that. Fifth, be warm, then leave space. This is powerful. Enjoy the moment fully. Then step back naturally. Great conversation tonight. No need to force 10 more hours. Let the feeling breathe. Space creates reflection. Reflection creates missing you. Missing you creates chasing. Example, after a fun date, you say goodnight and go live life. No clingy over-texting after. Let her think of you. Pay attention to this. Attraction often grows in absence. Sixth, be emotionally steady. Do not react to everything. If she replies late once, do not panic. If plans shift, do not beg for reassurance. Calmness signals strength. Chaos signals insecurity. Example, she says she is busy. You say, no worries, talk later. That confidence stands out. Most people fail here. But here's the truth. Peace is seductive. Seventh, make her feel seen, not just wanted. Many people compliment looks. Few notice character. Notice what matters to her. Notice effort, humor, heart. Example, you act tough but you care deeply. That hits differently. When someone feels understood, they come closer naturally. They text more. They think more. They chase more, without realizing it. This is where most men lose. They try to manipulate, but real attraction is cleaner than that. It is value plus emotion. It is confidence plus space. It is warmth plus standards. You do not need tricks. You need self-respect. If she never chases at all, that is useful information too. Not everyone is your person, and that is okay. The right one moves closer. The wrong one saves your time. So stop performing. Start becoming. Become full, calm, interesting, real. Chasing often follows that. If this helped you see attraction differently, subscribe for more psychology that actually works.